So my friends, short review like unbox and first impression. So what we have, just opened this box. It's new rechargeable headlamp from Cyansky with Type-C charging building with steer optic with 1300 lumens on maximum, but only for 1 minute. Let's check what we have here. Here we have magnet. So inside we have complex battery, ordinary type. Here is indicator of level of batteries. This one optic, like foot optic, but only cold white. SST 40 and press and hold. Ever white, red. Press and hold for off. And absolutely strange this one, but I didn't see such kind. Here we have Type-C. Such kind for headlamp. For now, don't understand how get it from this part. I think I should press here and get it from it, or maybe here. Not sure. We'll test it. We have in compact clip, ring, cable as usual. Also, what interesting, other model from Cyansky, tactical flashlight P25 version 2.0. So what we have, 3600 lumens with high capacity battery included with Type-C charger. Charging a lot of different protection level. And what also interesting, here you see complete with keys, with Type-C cable, headband, rings as usual. And what we see here is only 1 minute, then step down, and about 800 lumens it would be stabilized light. We will check it. Next one, what interesting, let's check exactly flashlight. For start, for change the level. RPOP reflector. Here you see a level of battery, and this one main button. Next one, what I will test also, this one Pamu Slide 2. That's interesting new model. They made Pamu Slide. I used it about half of year, and then changed it for the model from the exactly Pamu Mini. I don't remember. And it look like it's interesting. A level of battery, as I say, Type-C for charging, keys in compact bag, Type-C cable, different type those silicon parts. We will test it, we'll check sound. I will make a full review of it, I think, in a week. So put like, subscribe for my channel, and you will see all those reviews. That's all. Bye bye.